RCPS Plus is a free summer enrichment, remediation, and acceleration program that's available to all of our elementary and middle school age students. The theme for RCPS Plus this summer is Find Your Voice, so our students are going to get to engage in lots of fun activities. They're going to do discovery learning, they're going to do robotics, engineering, they're going to get to play all kinds of math games similar to the ones that we have here, Prime Climb. They're going to do work with their pattern blocks every day. We have lots of books that our students are going to be reading in our elementary classwork, and this is just a few examples of those. In first grade, they're going to be reading Cinderella stories from around the world, like this one here, Glass Slipper, Gold Sandal. They're also going to be working with the caterpillar to butterfly habitat, so lots of fun that we have planned for them. Some of the highlights of RCPS Plus for our summer program is that students are going to get to go on field trips and experience outreaches from the local community. Each elementary student is also going to get to experience our Star Lab, which is an inflatable planetarium, and that's going to take them on adventures all around the world. So RCPS Plus offers free transportation for the program and also breakfast and lunch daily. The program starts on June 20th and goes through July 27th. It is a Monday through Thursday program. Our elementary students will attend 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. and our middle school students will be 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Registration for our summer program is really important. A flyer went home to each one of our students, and we want families to know that they can access registration using this flyer and the QR code here at the bottom, or they can also go to our website, rcps.info, to find the banner to click on for registration. Registration does end May 19th, so be sure to access this on our website. Register your student today so that they can find their voice.